My wife and I wanted a place with a reduced material palette, large storage space, and something that conveys lightness. A place that we could rest and recharge. Our greatest wish when we settled in this apartment was that it would become a place of unforgettable memories of our first years as a married couple, and also be able to welcome our development of their family. My name is Franco Luiz Faust. I'm a Brazilian architect, one of the founders of Solo Arquitetos. I live here with my wife, Maria Eduarda, who is an urban planner, and our cat, Aurora.
At Never Too Small, we work with architects, designers, crew and clients from around the world. We work in a fast-paced environment and have to wear a number of different hats in a day. And we work odd hours and odd places. Most of us work from a laptop on a small screen, so the Asus ZenScreen portable monitor range allows us to have a second screen which is quick and easy to use. We love how slim and lightweight this monitor is and how effortlessly it slips into our bag. It's great having a large dual monitor setup that we can just pop off the stand. This monitor also flips vertically, which makes reviewing different video formats really easy. The battery-operated ZenScreen is super handy for when we shoot out on location, and it's really simple to just AirPlay the script to the monitor from our phones. And the stylus function makes it quick and easy to review and sign off documents when we have off-site meetings. The Asus ZenScreen range of portable monitors have been a great tool for us, both in the office, at home, and when we travel, and have definitely improved our efficiency and productivity. For the chance to win your very own ZenScreen portable monitor, click on the links in the description below. Competition closes 13th December 2023.
Curitiba is the capital of the state, called Paraná, in southern Brazil. The apartment is located close to the Spain Square, a bohemian spot in Curitiba. Curitiba is known for a lot of parks, trees, and its urbanistic plan that was designed by Jaime Lerner. When we first found the apartment, it was not fully completed. The walls were blank and we have bare concrete on the floors. In Brazil, we call that a skeleton apartment. There was an open kitchen, living and dining space, a bathroom, and 2 bedrooms, one with an ensuite. We removed the existing walls within the kitchen and the laundry area for a more open layout. A multifunctional unit was added between the kitchen and the living room, and it serves both areas. We added a small wall in the dining area to add a custom dining bench along the wall. The rest of the apartment layout remained the same. At the entrance, there is a space for us to hang coats, hats, and take off our shoes. The hangers were designed by a friend, Rodolfo Scusiato, and produced by his furniture brand, Jabuti Atelier. It also has 4 drawers where we leave our keys, glasses, and where we store receipts, tools, and medicines. For the kitchen, the aim was to design space that maximizes storage. The main functions of the kitchen are along the wall of the apartment, with space for a pantry, some appliances like a microwave and a coffee machine, a full-size fridge, an oven, a gas cooktop, and a sink. The countertop and backsplash are made from Conos Paraná, which is a local marble produced here in Curitiba. Below the window is the washing machine. Between the kitchen and the living room is the new division unit made from a single cabinet that serves both the kitchen side and the living side. On the kitchen side, it houses a cabinet with inbuilt lights and fluted glass doors. Behind the doors are glasses. Below are some drawers for cutlery. At the end of the unit, we add a few bookshelves, which helps to soften up the space. On the living room side, it functions as a support for a mounting television, with a niche for devices below and a small shelf above. The living room receives a lot of natural light from the balcony windows. There are linen curtains to also allow filtered light to come through the apartment, but also provide some privacy when needed. There is a simple gray couch with gray toned pillows. Complementing the decor is the Eclipse coffee table, produced by Studio Latino Design and designed by Max Campa, a good friend of mine. The floor is Sucupira chestnut, which is a local type of wood. It covers the living and dining and goes all the way to the master bedroom. For the dining area, we added a special custom oblong table. The table was designed especially for this apartment, but now is a real product that you can buy. On one side, the table has two summit chairs, also designed by Max Campa. On the other side, there is a built-in bench along the wall. This bench is made from joinery and hides more storage space. We keep larger objects here, which you don't use as often. Above the bench is a floating bookshelf with strip lights to create a nice ambience to this corner of the room. On the balcony, there are two outdoor armchairs, large ornamental pots with plants, and a discreet tank. There is a sink in the balcony that we use to do some gardening and clean some dirtier items. We wanted to reflect our personality as a couple, as in individuals. Green is my favorite color and was added to the social area because I'm a more extroverted person. And we applied the blue color that is Maria's preference in the bedroom because she's a more reserved person. The main solution here was to design an L-shaped wardrobe in the suite. This shape emerged from the search for the maximum extension possible to also allow the circulation around the bed. The wardrobe has two different depths. In the larger part, the wardrobe is narrower and is intended for folded clothes and shoes. While the smaller part, the wardrobe gains depth for hangers. We made small changes to the ensuite bathroom with the aim to reducing material waste. The ensuite bathroom only had ceramic tiles and a toilet. We added a vanity, shower, mirrors, and a black cabinet. The second bathroom also had only ceramic tiles and a toilet, so we applied the same logic of the ensuite bathroom. It also works as Aurora's bathroom. We keep the kitty litter there. The office is one of our favorite rooms. It has a desk, an additional wardrobe, and a cabinet, which we use to store our records and turntables. It also where I store my musical instruments. We planned the layout of this room thinking about transforming into a bedroom in the future. It was one of the challenges being the architect and the client at the same time. There is an emotional side of it, along with the rational side of the budget that was a little limited. We have dreams and we have to invest and make choices. This is my home. It's also like a showcase for my clients. It's like I'm validating some solutions that it's not necessary to have larger properties, but rather to have a good design.
Thanks for watching. If you're an architect or designer with a project we could feature, please share it with us at nevertoosmall.com/submissions.